How easy to make the rice sheets for various sizes. Put the rice into the hopper. Set to small size. This machine can make 500 rice sheets per hour at set of small size. Set to medium size. This machine can make 450 rice sheets per hour at set of medium size. Set to large size. This machine can make 400 rice sheets per hour at set of large size. This machine can adjust the thickness, length, density of the rice sheets with rice warming function. And easy to use with simple operation method.